Blockchain. The validity of a cryptocurrency coin is proved by a blockchain. A blockchain is a continuously growing list of record failed blocks which are linked and secured using cryptography. Each block typically contains a hash pointer as a link to a previous block. A timestamp and transaction data. By design, blockchains are inherently resistant to modification of the data. It is an open, distributed ledger that can record transactions between two parties efficiently and in a variable and permanent way. For use as a distributed ledger, a blockchain is typically managed by a peer-to-peer network, collectively adhering to a protocol for validating news block. Once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks, which records collusion of the network majority. Blockchains are secure by design and are an example of a distributed computing system with high patent fault tolerance. Decentralized consensus has therefore been achieved with a blockchain. Note: in the world of cryptocurrency, a node is a computer that connects to a cryptocurrency network. The node supports the cryptocurrency network through Ether, relaying transaction, validation, or hosting a copy of the blockchain. In terms of relaying transaction, each network computer or node has a copy of the blockchain of the cryptocurrency if support. When a transaction is made on the model creating the transaction broadcast, details of the transaction using encrypting to other nodes through the node network so that the transaction or and every other transaction is known. Node owners are either volunteers, those hosted by the organization or body responsible for developing the cryptocurrency blockchain network technology. Others who are anxious to host a node to receive reward from hosting the node network. Timestamping. Cryptocurrency used various timestamping schemes to prove the validity of transaction added to the blockchain ledger without the need for a trusted party. The first timestamping scheme in fact was the proof of work scheme. The most widely used proof of work scheme are based on SHA and script. Some other hashing algorithms that are used to proof of work include kryptonite blade. Another method is called the proof of stake scheme. Proof of stake is a method of securing a cryptocurrency network and achieving distributed consensus through requesting users to show ownership of a certain amount of currency. It is different from proof of work systems that run difficult hashing algorithms to validate electronic transactions. The scheme is largely dependent on the coin and the currency no standard form of it. Some cryptocurrency use a combined proof of work and proof of stake scheme. Mining in cryptocurrency network, mining is a validation of transaction. For this effort, successful miners obtain new cryptocurrency as a reward. The reward decreases transaction fees by creating a complementary incentive to contribute to the processing power of the network. The rate of generating hashes, which validate any transaction, has been increased by the use of specialized machines such as FPGAs and ASICs, running complex hashing algorithms like SHA and script. There are With more people venturing into the world of virtual currency, generating hashes for validation has become more complex over time, forcing miners to invest increasingly large sums of money to improve computing performance. Consequently, the reward for finding a hash